As a veteran, I'm both thrilled and honored to present the 2015 WebMD Health Hero Advocate Award to a true American hero, Jay Clark.
Thank you. First off, I'd like to acknowledge Kevin for everything he's given for this country. And just to add how much it means to be introduced by a warrior who continues to serve others. And you have to understand, he is the reason why I get out of bed and why I found purpose and meaning in my life when there was no purpose and meaning. Because, you know, he deserves this. He and others like him deserve what we do so much. Despite how humbling it is to receive this award, I would be remiss if I neglected to acknowledge the collective suffering behind it. When the New York Times covers the 50th anniversary of the events of 9/11, the reporter will certainly write about the nearly 7,000 combat fatalities that followed in Iraq and Afghanistan. But I doubt that same reporter will mention the 400,000 warriors of that same era who succumbed to PTS-related suicide. So I will. 400,000. Just let that sink in for a second. That's 22 lives a day times 50 years. Lives yet to be lost that represent a holocaust in slow motion. Advocacy in this instance calls for the awful and unpopular truth that this nation does not adequately care for its returning warriors, period. We need to fix this. An advocate is the unwitting mouthpiece who cries, "No, I will not stand by while those who give so much for others should die by their own hand, because I am too afraid to challenge convention or the quote-unquote medical model or risk failing in my efforts at being a difference for the difference makers." No. WebMD, in bestowing the title of advocate, you further inspire me and anyone who finds greater purpose in saying, no, this is not okay, and we will be the difference so that others might live. They deserve it. I would just like to thank my beautiful wife, Jessica, my friends, Teresa Rivera and Jimmy Connors, warriors who've come out to support me, and again to thank Kevin for presenting me. I'm incredibly humbled. Thank you very much.